Keisha, my goodness, powerhouse, brought it all down. As a facilitator, she talked about how to use your time wisely. How in this new year of 2026, it's about how you manage your time. That's your money maker. That's what transforms your business. And so I have walked away. My backpack is full of all kind of tools and tricks from today. So I'm telling you right now, if you missed it this time, don't miss it next time. Come and see what Keisha has to offer and what Michael has to present to you for you to be the best version of yourself in this new year.
Keisha, that's all I can say. If you have not been to her workshop, I can't even get it. I'm just so excited about it. You need to go to her workshop, helping you build workshops. Why? Because it's going to save you time, money, and it's also going to help you be more professional in your endeavors. Thank you, Ms. Keisha.